Hello everyone. In this video, we will program the vehicle to move in a square fashion. We have done that earlier. We will try to do that using the single motor blocks. What is the difference between the turn which we have done in earlier programs and the turn when we want to draw a square? The difference is in square we need sharp turn like here. Sharp turn. Whereas when we are doing other, we are taking this soft turn like this. Here on the curious mind block, if you see here, like this, we take a soft turn. In case of squares, we take a sharp turn. Now, to take a sharp turn, we know that our one wheel should travel forward while the other wheel should travel backward at the same time. And so, if I draw a line between my two wheels, right and left, what is the center point? That would be the point of rotation. When we make one wheel to go forward and other wheel to go backward at same speed. So that's going to be the point of rotation, which means this point, if I want. So it will rotate on the spot. So let's do that. We'll start with a curious mind block. We'll first set up the motor so that we can give them commands. And they are ready to hear our commands. Then we want to go forward. Going forward, left motor is anti-clockwise, we know. Let's say I'm going forward for 2 seconds. And now we want to take a hard turn, sharp turn. So we'll take left motor and right motor. Now we want to take a right side sharp turn. So if I want to take a right side sharp turn, the right motor should go in a reverse fashion and left motor should continue to go in forward. So for forward, we know left motor goes anti-clockwise. That is forward for the left motor. For right motor, clockwise is forward. So anti-clockwise is going to be reverse. And so with these set of commands, the motor will take a sharp turn or a hard turn. Okay, we'll take wait. Now we have assumed that 1 second was required for 180-degree turn and that also soft turn. Sharp turn generally is twice as fast as the soft turn. The reason, both the motors are moving in opposite direction. So 0.5 seconds will require for a 180-degree turn, and so let's say 0.3 seconds are required for a 90-degree turn. Again, it is an assumption. We need to check that by running the program once and adjust this. And now we know this action of forward turn has to be repeated 4 times to get a square. So I will have to use a repeat command, repeat 4 times. That gives me a square, and finally we will stop our left motor and stop our right motor. Now again here we can definitely reduce one command. We see left motor is going anti-clockwise here. Here also it is not changed. So we don't need that command. So we can remove that command and we can keep only this command. That also will ensure that our vehicle moves in a square fashion. You can upload the program and try it and adjust the turning time. And in case this is not happening, we can try to stop the motor between its forward movement and the turning.